Fliply review. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcvs.com. Welcome to my Fliply review. I'm here inside the members area of Fliply, and I will be giving you a full demo and a run through of what is inside the members area, and also will be telling you I'll be giving you a demo of all of what this Fliply is all about. So this particular Fliply is being made by Team Black Belt, which is a combination of Hardflare, Palab Ghoshal, and Ravi Rawat, which is a very good team, and they provide very good courses, and they're all the three are known to make seven figures a month. So this is a seven-figure internet marketing. So it is a fantastic combination, and you'll be getting a very good product from them as usual. See, in a nutshell, I would like to say what Fliply is nothing but you buy traffic at a lower price from the sources what I'll be showing you in the members area, and what you'll be doing is you'll be flipping this traffic, you'll be selling this traffic to other people at a higher price, and in the process making money. So it's a very simple model where you can just flip traffic and make some good bucks. You'll be getting traffic from a free sources, and also some paid source also is discussed in the members area. So it is a very good idea. I think you can really make some good money out of this. So Fliply allows you to provide a traffic to your customers. This will help you make money and also build your own email list at the same time. So this is a fantastic, it's a 3xing your traffic. So that is very much discussed in this particular course. So this is in short about Fliply, and Fliply is newbie friendly, definitely newbie friendly, and any person who does not know anything about internet marketing can make money out of this Fliply course. So definitely yes, you can make some good money out of Fliply, and also if this sounds like something you're interested in, just click on the link in the description below, which will be taking you to my bonus page. Yeah, my bonus page will look something like this, and I have put in a lot of bonuses for you over here, and which I don't want you to miss. And one more thing I would like to tell you is you just have to get a copy of Fliply. You just have to come to click the link in the description below, click on this. No, you just have to just browse through my bonus page, and you click on any of these links, these yellow links here, and which will take you to my sales page, which looks like this. And you can click on the link, click here to get instant access, and you'll be getting access. And this will be live as of 11 a.m. Eastern on the 8th of November, and the front end is going to cost you around $14 to $17 depending on when you pick it up. So if you're an early bird, you'll be picking it up at $14, and if you pick up later on, you'll be giving $17 for the same thing. So I don't want you to miss on some of the bonuses what I put in for you, and definitely yes, I want you to make a good thing about this bonus offer what I put in. And these bonuses are complimentary to Fliply, and definitely yes, you can make a lot of money with my bonuses along with Fliply. So I just want to go through the bonuses very fast. The bonus one is you get the best IG influencer scores ever. So this is basically a way of how to get traffic again to your Fliply, and it's a very good source of traffic. How to get the best Instagram influencers ever. So, and It is a step-by-step guide showing you how you will become an Instagram influencer and help you promote your offers and also act as a good source of traffic. So bonus number one, bonus number two is you will be getting how to build your own website in just 3 steps. And this is a course by Jono Armstrong, who's my mentor. You will be learning how to create and improve your website in just 3 steps. So a WordPress website in just 3 steps. This is your bonus number two. Bonus number three is you will be given access to the lockdown formula, and through this you will learn how to make money online in the lockdown, especially if you're in a lockdown and you may using affiliate marketing. So this is your bonus number three. Bonus number four is instant profit methods, and you will be getting access to 4 very good hacks through which you can increase your almost double your profits. So this is your bonus number four. And bonus number five is you will be getting access to all the vendor bonuses, the bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you. So the bonuses he has given is bonus number one is FB traffic hack. Bonus number two is FB traffic enigma. Bonus number three is traffic titan. Bonus number four is easy profit secrets. Bonus number five is 6 minute profits. And you're going to get all these vendor bonuses along with the bonuses I mentioned to you 100% free of charge, and will be instantly delivered to you even if you pick up the front end, which is going to cost you between $14 to $17. To get the bonuses, all you have to do is click the link in the description below, which will bring you to my bonus page, which looks like this, exactly like this. And all you have to do is click on these yellow links, which will take you to my sales page, and you can pick up this particular product from my sales page. So once you have done that, you would know you when you click on this sales button, it will take you to the Warrior Plus payment gateway. And there, after finishing your payment, now the next is how do you get your bonuses, or where do you get your bonuses. Now it's very simple, guys. All you have to do is just have to go to the Warrior Plus, and after you finish your payment on the Warrior Plus payment gateway, you will come to a page which looks something like this. And on the right hand top corner is a red button which says username or your affiliate ID. Just click on the button. There will be a drop down menu which will just click on this purchase history here. And when you click on this purchase history, which it will take you to a page on which there is a hyperlink of Fliply. Written Fliply, just press on the hyperlink and you will come to this receipt page here. So once you come to the receipt page, you can access your purchase by clicking on this green button. Just below the green button is a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. So all you have to do is click on this blue button, and all your bonuses are there for you to take. You don't have to send me a receipt, you don't have to send me any email ID or anything like that. You just have to click on this blue button, and you're going to get access to this particular bonus. So I just wanted to go through the upsells now before I just get into this particular members area and sales page. So the upsell is they have got quite a lot of upsells. So I told you the front end is going to cost you between $14 to $17 depending upon when you're going to take this particular offer. Upsell number one is Fliply Pro, which is going to be $37. There's a downsell at almost at 27 US. So here in Fliply Pro, you're going to get access to CPA Boss with unlimited traffic campaigns. With the Pro version of CPA Boss, you generate unlimited traffic. No scale CPA income almost 5-10 with CPA traffic and get unlimited campaigns. So this is your Fliply Pro, and you're going to get upsell number two is done for you, which is going to cost you around 47 US. The downsell at 27 US. And upsell number three is affiliate case studies. Affiliate number upsell number 4 is 6 times reseller license. So reseller license is something where you can just keep all the price points. You just buy the product, and the product will be acting as if your own, and you can just you can just sell these products and keep all the price points. So I wouldn't like to take much of your time here. You can come and read at your own free time. So before, I just wanted to get into the sales page. So the sales page looks something like this, guys. It costs so how to get multiple 80 to $500 payments from desperate business owners for a simple copy and paste 4-minute service. This looks a little hypey, but definitely yes, you can make this type of money with with copy and paste. And why it's multiple 8 to $100 is because you can because you once you get a customer for advertising who's buying ads from you, you can repeat this service, give a good service, and repeat again and again and again. You can rinse and repeat the system, and you will be getting more and more clients and more business from the same customer. So that's how you make multiple income. And moreover, what happens here is you start building an email list alongside, so that you build your own email list, and the whole thing is exponential. So that's the thing, guys. And now there's also a video here which explains what this whole thing is all about. And this It's very easy and UB friendly, no experience tech skills required, work from anywhere in the world. It's a laptop, no business method, no quick 5-minute setup, and no front end investment or cost for this work. 100% free traffic included. So this is it, guys. This is the basic sales page, and I feel it's a good product. You have to really try this, and there's a wonderful ways of making traffic here. There are some income proofs and all put here, and and how Palab Koshal has made his money and all that thing. You can just go through the whole thing. And also there is a money back guarantee on this. So what you can do is you can come and have a look at your own time. I don't take much of your time over here. So let us quickly run over to the to this particular members area, and I want to show you what this members area is all about. So this is the software Fliply, which it's not a software, it's basically info course, a video course telling you about this particular thing of Fliply. So it is a super affiliate training here, a video course, guys. The module number 1 is the blueprint of Fliply, and module number 2 is providing solution to every internet marketer's problems. Here you're getting free traffic, how to build your own traffic groups on Facebook, and how to get traffic from these Facebook groups, how to get customers via free advertisements on Facebook groups. So here you've got a lot of this one Facebook groups where you can go to. And now you have how to get customers via free advertisement, own Facebook group and fan page. This is discussed in detail. How to get customers via paid advertisements, and now how to get your own traffic rotator, and also how to 3x your income. A lot of templates are given here for you to go ahead and look at the thing. So this is in short about this particular Fliply. So if you want to get hold of this product, all you have to do is click the link in the description below, which will bring you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. All you have to do is scroll on this page and click on this, and click on the yellow button there, and this particular click on this yellow button, which will take you to my sales page. And there you can just click on this particular get instant access. Now click on this button, and then you will be getting access to the members area. And kindly to encourage me, kindly subscribe to this channel, press like and share this video. And until my next review, goodbye.